July 12, 2020, a routine Sunday morning at Naval Base San Diego that quickly escalated into one of the most devastating pier-side disasters in U.S. Navy history. As thick black smoke began billowing from the USS Bonhomme Richard, it became clear that the ship was fighting for its very survival. The fire started deep in the lower vehicle stowage area, and because the vessel was undergoing maintenance, the critical automated fire suppression systems were deactivated. Within hours, internal temperatures soared above 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, melting the steel of the superstructure and creating an inferno that lasted for 5 grueling days. Over 400 sailors and federal firefighters battled the flames alongside helicopter sea combat squadrons, which flew hundreds of missions dropping water from the air. Despite their heroic efforts and a desperate race against time to save the $2 billion asset, the structural damage proved irreversible. A subsequent investigation revealed a tragic pattern of failed leadership and systemic fatigue, leading to the eventual decommissioning and scrapping of this once mighty amphibious assault ship. Today, we look back at the footage of that fateful week, a haunting reminder of the cost of complacency and the incredible bravery of those who ran toward the fire.